As we know, Samsung is working on S23 lineup, which will be an insane lineup by Samsung. Also, people holding a great expectation to give a tough competition to iPhone 14 series. So recently some of the renders come up about the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus were provided by Only with collaboration with Digit and SmartPix. These devices have a similar look as that of their predecessor, like the camera position at the back and the front. Both S23 and S20 Plus have a similar design like S22 Ultra, which means they don't have a camera island and will be coming with camera rings with triple camera setup having a 50 megapixel main camera. Whereas talking about the screen size, S23 will have a 6.1 inch of display while S23 Plus will have a 6.6 inch display. A change in front camera will be upgraded from a 10 megapixel to a 12 megapixel. Also, rumors been spreading like there will be an increment in display from 1750 to 2000 nits. In the render, it is noticed that the speaker grills and the USB Type-C part of the device are available on the bottom side. We cannot spot the SIM tray, however there are high chances that the device will also have a SIM tray at the bottom just like the predecessor. Until now, only a limited amount of information is available regarding the Samsung S23 Plus and S23. Expectations are high that we will get more details regarding the device in the future as soon as it launches inches closer. Whereas talking about S23 Ultra, a dedicated video will be posted soon. With that all being said, I'll see you in next video. Peace out.